In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube channel on an Android tablet. So let's get started right away. So basically what you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube app, and once you're here you want to click on the top right corner. Click on the account and then click on the plus icon right here. It will take you over to this page right here, and you basically want to fill in an email address and sign in, or you can click on create account, and we want to click on create account just like this, and just click on for myself if you want to. Fill in a first name, and I'm just going to do some random right here. Once you've done that, click on next. Right here, select the month and day and your year, then your gender. I'm just gonna click on male. So basically, I've just filled in some random stuff, but you have to do some your real info, of course. So just click on next. Once you're here, you can choose which email address you want. You can either, for example, take one that is from your name, or you can click on create your own. So you can just type in your own email address, but I'm just gonna select this one because it's really simple. Click on next, and you have to create a password right here. So I'm going to do that right now. Once you've done that, click on next. And this is basically the last step. You can add a phone number or something like that in order to secure your account more, which I do recommend. So you can click on yes, I'm in, but I'm just gonna skip it for now for the sake of this tutorial. Just click on skip, then click on next, and right here you want to scroll a bit down. You want to agree to these terms of services. Click on create an account and click on confirm once again. And it says getting account info, and this will just create your account. So let's wait for that. And as you can see right here, we have now made our channel. And if we click on it, just like this, your channel, and then you have to click on create channel. And that will basically create a channel on your Android tablet. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.